అదే ఆర్టీవీ యాప్ వార్తల్ని క్షణాల్లో చదివే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. ఒక న్యూస్ పేపర్, ఒక టెలివిజన్ ఛానల్ మీ చేతుల్లో ఎప్పుడూ ఉంటాయి.
Efforts and parent support, these students could achieve that milestone. So in the journey of 20 months, I think this entire global preparation is around 20 months of time is what you have. So you finished almost half of the journey. And this year, the first half of the journey is majorly on the test preparation part of it. So even though these students have one more year time to give these exams, better their scores and all these things, most of these students have put in their efforts in the first half of the course itself, that is in the first 10 months itself, and they were able to excel. So we thought it is an opportunity to appreciate their hard work and inspire them as well. So otherwise they have even some more chances. I suppose for some people who did not make it to 1400 plus or 1300 plus, they have almost like another 1 year of time to improve their scores. But we thought we will take a moment to appreciate their efforts who excelled in the shortest possible time, and also it will inspire them. So this is one of the part of their journey, and the remaining 10 months is there in their hand for them to improve their scores and also to work on the profile building and all these things. So as a program, we are halfway through our journey, and in the first year itself, these global competitive exams like SAT and IELTS kind of thing. Usually these exams have a very little awareness in Hyderabad city, even though we are a high-tech city, we're having a global connections and all these things. But the awareness at undergraduation level is really, really low. So many people, whenever we keep talking to these 10th class students, parents, intermediate students, parents also, people keep seeing it as a surprise. Like, does something like this exist, or can we go actually, can we afford it actually? These kind of things are still there, so the awareness level is slowly increasing. So any big achievement or any big thing starts with a small baby steps. So even the global program is also like this. So when we are talking about a no merit based segregation, a JE kind of program 6-7 years back, then also people were thinking that will it be really possible, can it be done in a scale and all these things. We have proved it that it can be done in a scale. And the same way, global program also, it will take its own time to establish and create its own awareness in a city like Hyderabad. But fortunately, year on year, the number of people who is having awareness, who is having a very, very determined goal. I still remember talking to these set of students in the initial first months of their journey. They were all very, very specific. If I ask them like, okay, what is your plan? They are not broad in goals like, I just want to crack JEE or anything. They are not just global, they are very specific. I want this kind of university, I want this kind of course and all these things. That awareness itself is key. Who has trained them in SAT and IELTS exams, especially Saiti ma'am, Teju sir and the other quant teachers who are available, and also other regular teachers who has put in their efforts. So my best wishes to all the students. Congratulations, keep up the good work, and next year in 2025 we should definitely have a success celebration once you get the final offer letters from the dream universities that you are aiming for. So congratulations to all of you and all the best. Thank you.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం వాట్సాప్ ఛానల్ ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఆ లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో ఉంది.